is the 9 in? It's in the tens. So I have 9 tens, and we know 9 tens is the same as C. 9. Yep, got it right. Perfect. Okay, same thing. Like remember, I'm doing the same 2 standards all week, so that you can get that. Make sure that your name is on this packet.
I'm going to just remind you
before we turn to what we're doing here. We have a little bit of work left to do in yesterday's packet. Today's packet is very similar, so that if you get done with the practice from yesterday and you get done with the exit ticket from yesterday, you get to just work on extra practice here. Okay, so let's just turn in this packet and look what we're doing today. It's the same as yesterday. So what are we getting better at today? Antoine, let's read one of the first things we're getting better at. Perfect. We're getting better at adding mixed numbers. Jessica, what's the second thing we're getting better at?
Transfer to the front.
Setting up and solving real life fraction word problems.
For success.
I will know that you got better at these things today if we do the following.
First
If you complete 2 out of 3 word problems by yourself correctly and explain by showing your work, you get 2 out of 3 mixed and adding mixed number problems correctly. You score 80% or higher on your exit ticket. So we're going to be doing a lot of practice today. End of the lesson, we're doing our exit ticket.
Next one.
Some of us need to finish the exit ticket practice from yesterday. Okay. So, let me grab your package from yesterday.
Each sentence begins with a capital
I'm going to hold on to those real quick. Let's practice one of these problems in this packet that we have in front of us first, before I pass it down. Okay. So this is a perfect one to practice. Alright, so everyone should be on this one that's got 5 and 7/8 plus 6 and 4/8. See, Jessica's on that one. Yeah, on that problem.
I'm just making up a quick one.
It's hard. It's on homework, yeah. It's hard? Okay, so we're going to make sure that we do what today? Focus, so that the homework is not hard. Okay, I don't put things on your homework that I don't think you can do. Okay, so 5 and 7/8 plus 6 and 4/8. I have the steps listed here. The first step is that we need to do what, PI?
Okay, I'm looking at this. Nope. So I need to fix that on mine. Fix it on yours.
Add the fraction part. So I'm going to go ahead and circle those, and we're going to add our fraction. We're going to pick up our pencil, and we're going to write 7/8 plus 4/8.
That one. So I'm fixing mine. Make sure you fix yours. Look at your sentence and see if.
So when I add these fractions, am I going to add the 8s together?
No.
Check your sentence and make sure.
Why does it stay the same?
Then fix it, Taylor. You shouldn't be saying anything.
What does the denominator represent? It represents our fractional unit. What does it represent?
Our fractional unit.
Do our units change? No, the units stay the same. So we don't need to do anything with that. That stays the same. But we do need to add our what, L1? Very good. We need to add our numerators. What's 7 plus 4, Jessica?
Does my sentence have an end mark? It does not.
11. Beautiful.
I have to fix that.
So we have 11/8.
Away.
Now there's a problem with this number, with this fraction. What's the problem, Ki?
Give a point because Lorenzo and Irene sat down and they're both so ready to learn.
Wow, great explanation. So the number at the top is bigger than the number at the bottom. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. So Ki says this is an improper fraction. So we have to go to this next step. We need to actually break this number down into something that we can use.
Read us your number set.
So 11/8. We're gonna make a little number bond.
Give me a high five.
We've done this last time.
Wayne, I want you to find them.
Oh, right, 11/8.
Find
We're
it.
gonna put a little circle like that around it. That's gonna be our number bond.
You got it.
We gotta decompose
Wayne's turn. Nice being patient. Read us your number sentence.
How many 8s are in a whole?
8.
Oh no. Plus 1. Good. Ooh.
What'd you say first? How many 8s are in a 8 8?
So we're not.
So if I have a little, if I have a hole right here, right?
6 plus 1 equals 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8s, right? What happens if I shade all this in? That's how many? That's one whole. How many eighths is it? 8 eighths.
6.
Okay, are we at 11 eighths though?
Beautiful.
No. So what do you think we need to do, Eltwan or Jessica?
No, first we read our numbers. First we read our
We
numbers.
gotta get to 11 eighths. So okay, we need to shade more in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Am I gonna shade all of them in? No, because that would need too many.
Take away.
So how many should I? So we're at 8, right? How much is this? That's 8 eighths. That's
Leave it on the table.
9 eighths. Are we at 11 yet? Nope. 9 eighths.
You have 5.
10 eighths.
Halfway there.
11 eighths. So how many eighths is that?
3.
So
3 eighths. Got that, Jess?
Say check.
So how would I write 11 eighths as a mixed number now? How many holes do I have?
If you wrote your second sentence, I'm gonna go over the criteria for success.
1. So we've got 1
You
hole,
did great. If not, fix
Touch
it.
your nose.
and we have
Second
3
criteria for
eighths.
success. My sentence
touching your
begins
nose,
with a
touch your
capital
head.
letter. If you did not
Does
write that,
everybody understand how we got 1 and 3 eighths?
Nice listening.
Third criteria for success.
We're writing.
Jessica, how did we get 1 and 3
I
eighths?
fixed all capital letter mistakes. That's the trick one, so I would check each word in your sentence to make sure that you have it right.
I did my number bond,
Together.
Remember,
and I
said you're not
decomposed it.
making
11 eighths is the same as 1 and 3 eighths, but we're not going to keep it as improper because sometimes when we're doing word problems, if they ask how far someone ran, you're not going to say they ran 11 eighths miles. You want to know the whole. Or if I say, Jessica, how much cereal did you eat? You're not going to say, I ate 11 eighths cups of cereal. You would say, I ate 1 3/8 cups of cereal. So that's
Beautiful.
that. Are we done yet?
No.
No? What are we going to do next, Jessica?
Oh my.
Don't worry about it for now, but you know for next time.
Nope, I'm gonna use
That's
it.
part of being niche.
Okay, those are called our
Criteria.
holes. So we're going to add 5 plus
Each
6.
sentence has an end mark.
And what's 5 plus 6?
If you're ready to move on to number 3, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't,
11.
that's great.
All right, are we done, PI?
No.
I'm
What we gotta do now?
Capital letter mistakes.
Add the number that we just I mean that add our home.
We gotta add our holes. We have a hole here, and we have a hole here. So we're gonna add
Also, make sure your numbers are not up in the air.
11 plus 1 equals 12. Eltwan, are we done?
That's part of neatness.
Are we done?
No.
What we gotta do now?
20 looks like this.
That's what I was telling
You
him.
do a nice job showing that we give up.
We added we added the 11 with the 1, but what we have hanging out over here? The 3 eighths. So we have 12 and 3 eighths.
Good. What does 30 look like?
And we put our answer down, and we put a
Going back and forth.
box around it. Perfect. All right, you ready? Try one more. Okay, let's try one more.
That one goes right here. And erase that. And put it right here.
This one is. Oh, so we had 12, and then we had our 3 eighths. So our answer was 12 and 3 eighths.
Yes.
So let's go ahead and go through these steps for this one, and then I'm gonna have you try some on your own.
Nice. Okay, I'm gonna help. I wait for a minute now.
Okay. Eltwan's already got the first step down. He knows that he's gonna take the fractional units, and he's gonna do what with them? Add them. Perfect. So we're gonna add 1/5 and 3/5. That equals 4/5. Okay.
She has a.
Is 4/5 an improper fraction?
No.
Why?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's nice job doing that all by yourself.
The numerator. Say numerator.
Oh, numerator.
So do we need to convert this into a mixed number?
No.
6.
No. Say yeah. Because we don't have to do as much work.
Alright, so I win
So we
this.
don't have to do that step because we don't have to convert that.
So I win this.
Okay, now what do I have to do, Jessica?
10, 20, 30.
Okay, what numbers? Yes, thank you. We're gonna add the wholes. We're gonna add 4 plus 8.
You're finished. We're gonna go over
Yes.
the criteria for
What
success
is 4
again.
plus 8?
I wrote neatly
4 plus 8
and fix
4
it if
plus
you
8
need
is
to.
12.
We're We're not yelling now.
Do we need to do this?
No.
No, because we didn't have any other
The
holes
next
from
one.
this part.
Each sentence begins with a capital letter.
Okay, and what is our answer going to be? Just 12?
No, 12, 4, 4 fifths.
Yeah,
I know, we haven't got it.
12 and 4/5.
The next one, fixed all capital letter mistakes.
And we put a box around it. Perfect.
And the last one, each sentence has an end mark.
And then 0 says 50.
Put a circle.
Last sentence,
It's just, the reason I say that is because when you do these things like on your test, sometimes you're not gonna have these steps and you're just gonna have a lot of numbers and work all over the place, and I want you to just circle or box it so I can easily find your answer. I don't wanna go on a scavenger hunt for your work.
What do you think?
You can go to the next one and try that one. I wanna see if you can get that one on your own. There's 2 I want you to try on. Yeah, there's 3. There's 3 right here that I want you to try in a row on your own. See if you got those. Is that part of your goal for
Yes, sir. And when you're all done, Lorenzo, you can draw a picture on the back until Zywing's done, okay? Okay, Lorenzo's going to. Thank you, sir. Nice following directions. Have a point. That is a really good idea.
Good, I like your equation. So now
and the part after you finish that last sentence.
when you add 6 9s and 4 9s, what do you get at?
You should have 5 sentences written. Taylor, that is not
60. What is 60?
You're gonna do it over. I'm gonna give you another sheet of paper. And it's not punishment, Taylor. It's, you have to get better. I've seen you use big handwriting. I said I'm gonna give you another piece of paper.
Okay,
You don't
so
have
is
to
that
read it.
non-proper or proper?
Nice, Lorenzo. I'm going to give us another point because you just
So what do you have to do?
Copy it onto here.
Not added, you're gonna have to, it says, if you have an improper fraction, which you just said you did, after you added,
I'm gonna let it
convert it to a mixed number, so now you're gonna need
You
to
have
do
5
number
sentences
bond.
written. You got 5?
Number bond.
Okay.
7.
Make sure you have capital letters at the beginning of your sentences. Ernest, check your sentences. Just to make sure you have capital letters fixed.
That's a great observation.
You heard what I said? Alright, check it.
You don't know what
I didn't see it.
you don't know what improper is, there's something on the board.
We're not worried about your shirt right now. We're worried about you getting those sentences on there, okay? That's not gonna hurt you or stop you from
80.
learning.
What is it?
Let's go ahead and do that. Make sure you do one more.
Doing a great job.
Good.
Almost there. Almost at our first break.
Always there. So let's look. So we got 9 9s, and then you put 10 10s. Remember, do our units change? So this is gonna be a 9th. Because we're at 9 9s.
90. Nice
So I
job.
want you to draw
90.
your model. And make 9s. Fill that whole thing in to get your 9 9s. But we're not quite at 10 9s yet, so you may. Okay, so how are you gonna get to 10 9s?
Beautiful.
We're at 9
91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96.
We're gonna get to 10 9s.
99.
You stayed at 9.
Did it. Good work. Have a point. I'm so proud of you.
Okay, so else one and Jessica are at the same spot right here. So I'm gonna model this on my whiteboard really quickly.
You are
Okay,
finished,
you're
so
at
guess
10
what?
9s.
I'm getting
Huh?
my iPad,
Let's look.
and we're gonna get a Skittle when we turn.
I love that you both got to this 9 9s point. Okay, how do I get from 9 to 10? What do I have to add?
Skittle when we turn off the iPad. So listen.
So I'm at, so if I'm at 9, right? This whole thing gets shaded in, that's one hole.
We're
gonna take turns.
Here's another set of 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Zoe will go first next time.
7,
Who wants to go first this time?
8. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay,
5,
so-
6, 7, 8, 9.
Lorenzo will go
Jessica
first
and
this
Elfon, if
time.
it helps you to draw a picture, I definitely encourage you to do that. If I shade this whole thing in, am I gonna get to 10? No.
Okay. So
We're at
We're
9
gonna go first this
9s.
time. I'm gonna
How
give
much
you
is
1
this?
minute, and then next time.
10 9s. So what is this fraction that's in this picture?
How was your trip?
1 9th. Excellent, Jessica. So this part is 1 9th.
Okay, say my number for
1
1 minute
9th.
break.
These fraction denominators will always be the same here.
Tomorrow.
They're not changing. Remember we said our units do not change. They have to be 9. So then how do I write that as a mixed number? How do I write this as a mixed number? How many holes do we have, Alton? Mm-hmm. 1 hole, and then what's the fraction that goes next to it? 1/9. So that goes over on this side right here. We gotta put our 1 there next to it, though. Only we had 1 hole. Okay, so now you need to add your holes. Where are your holes? Where's your holes here? Right here. No. What are your holes? Right here. 2 and 6. Okay, so then you have to add that with this.
Turn off the iPad and it's good. That'll be Loren's turn. Ready?
Good. Add 2 and 6.
4. Nice job.
That's 3 times 6. Make sure you're paying attention
And now
to
it's
the sign.
Lorenzo's turn. Nice
You're
job,
adding.
Wayne. Turning off the iPad. What color would you like?
Aaron, you have 3
color?
seconds to get back into this area or you lose your job.
You did a good job turning
And
off the
then you need
iPad in
to
5
put
seconds.
these 2 together.
What color would
It's
you
a lot of steps. That's why you have all these little parts along the way.
If you can, then
You gotta add this.
You want
and
blue?
this
Yes.
This color?
together to give you your answer.
Alright, now action is a good
So
time.
you're adding 8 and 1.
Raise your hand, don't yell out, I will get to you.
With 8 plus 1.
Okay.
Okay, you want to get started your message?
9. And then you
Wait a
just
minute, just like that. You have a minute. What would you like?
now this one.
What would you like to write about?
Good.
Eileen? There's all
Okay.
food in here.
So a good check for yourself is that your fraction has to have the same denominator.
Cookie?
The next one you're doing Jessica and else one should
Go ahead.
be a little bit less steps.
Cookie Monster cookie with a big Cookie Monster sauce. All right, Lorenzo, you get your squiggle when you turn off the iPad in 5, 4. Nice job, bud. What color would you
So
like?
what I'm gonna have you do, Kian, is I'm gonna give you
nice
a packet
job.
from yesterday, and I'm gonna have you start working on some word
What color
problems.
would you like?
Kevin, I'm gonna allow you to go
Okay,
ahead.
remember how we did some word problems yesterday? So you got,
We are choosing to write about whatever
word problems
we would like. You did such a good
You're
job
ready
with
for that.
3 messages about ice cream yesterday. So we get to take a new food to write about.
yeah, it's similar to what we just did.
Lorenzo's
Read the
already opening
problems,
up his
just
book.
understand. Ethan went for a hike on Saturday in the morning.
You wrote about hot dogs.
He hiked 2 and 3 fifths miles, then he stopped for lunch. After lunch, he hiked 1 and 4 fifths miles. You need to think about what you know in the problem. I already saw that you underlined that. You think about what the question's asking you to do, and then write an equation to model.
Your job is to come in and have a seat. sir.
Yeah.
Come in and have a seat.
Do you want to chat?
Good, yes. Good. Now what do you, is that an improper fraction or a proper fraction? Why is it a proper fraction?
Would I like to take, I don't know, 10 seconds, 15 seconds to do? Taylor, you have some things you want to afford to clean up? Everyone else, just check around your desk. You don't have to get up till
So do we have to do any conversion here? No, so we can put a big fat X there. Oh, from the intro? I have to, usually I just do firm, but I have a meeting tomorrow.
I ignore him. Yeah, the time and then distract him or redirect him, and he's like, oh.
You're so yeah.
Lorenzo already got started on his message. What's your message, Lorenzo? I eat hot dogs.
Okay, I have the papers too, but I want to make sure I give them.
You got started all by yourself. I'm gonna give us a point because Lorenzo got started all by himself.
I know, well, then we have to ask
Cookies, I
Mrs.
win.
Brown because you tested with her.
Why are you up and why?
Perfect, so then what's your answer?
What do you want to say about cookies? Do you like cookies?
Instructions are, today your
I don't know if you did good,
It looks like
some of it was if you performed well, but part of the dean's task was also connected to
I'm gonna give
it.
another point because Lorenzo's doing such a good job. All right, 5.
So you have 3 and 7 fifths, can you keep this as 7 fifths?
There's
No high five?
No,
one
no.
over there by the
Way to go.
Which you
Cat.
need to change.
What do you want to say about ice cream, Zywing?
I'm looking
You
at
like it?
Yep.
Right, you're
Good.
I like ice cream.
Alright, try that one.